Hey Jacob, this is Joe with First on Top SEO. I saw one of your service vans driving around town today. Thought I would look up your website and see if maybe I could help you out in getting some more customers going your way. Because that's what I do. I specialize in SEO and digital marketing, and we help small business like yours get more customers through online marketing. And so I went ahead, looked up your website, noticed that you were on page 3 of Google, and so page 3 is pretty far back from page 1. And I just wanted to share some statistics with you that 90% of people that are looking for a specific type of business, like for instance yours, plumbing, will only use those businesses that are listed on the first page of the Google search engine. So if you're not on the first page, anything on page 2 and beyond really get no traffic going to them, and return no customers going your way. And so I just wanted to share some information with you to help you get your website in front of more people, so that you can get more customers going your way, and people using your business. And so the first thing I just wanted to share with you is what Google calls the metadata. And the metadata is simply just a small smidget of information that they use to determine what city and what type of business you do. And so it's on the outside of every business. When you are looking on Google for any type of business or any type of website, actually. And it's this small little piece of information. Yours is in purple because it's been clicked on, but everyone else's is in blue. And so this is what I mentioned is called the metadata, or the meta title, and this gives Google information on what city you're working in and what type of business you do. And so yours is right on par, plumber, New Braunfels. That's what Google wants to see in order, like I mentioned, to categorize you in their search engine. And so that looks good on that part. And then when you click onto a website, what also first pops up is called the header, or the heading, first header. And that's what you have right in this area right here. And so when Google also looks at this, it determines where they're going to categorize your business on their search engine. And so the first thing that they look for is, once again, what city that you're in and what type of business you do. And so I went ahead and used this other tool that we use in order to kind of extract your heading. And so the heading, it shows that you have no heading, no H1. And so this is very important to have, because like I mentioned, Google will look at this header, and if it's not telling them what they need to know, then they won't rank your website anywhere higher than where it's at right now. And so since you don't have one, this is holding you back from being ranked a little higher. And so when we go back to your website here, instead of having nothing here, you want to have, once again, the city that you're working in and what business you do. So you would want to put, like, you want to mimic the exact same thing that's on your meta title. You want to put New Braunfels Plumber or New Braunfels Plumbing, and then after that you can add your business name and etc., like you have here. And so these are just a couple of things that just will get you started to rank your website higher. If you have someone that can do this for you, that you have on hand, get them to just change this header to New Braunfels Plumbing, and you should start seeing your website rank a little higher. You could leave the metadata the way it is, just change that H1 plumbing, or that H1 header, to New Braunfels Plumbing, and you should start seeing results right away. If not, then there's several other issues that could be holding your website back from getting ranked to the first page. And that's other things that you have to take into consideration as well. Well, this is all I wanted to share with you today. If you need help getting this done, or maybe you'd like to gain more business, we can run a SEO campaign for you, which will for surely get you on the first page of the Google search engine, and in return, a lot more customers coming your way. Thank you for your time once again, and talk to you later. My information will be in the message that I send you.